I'm going to talk about very exciting capability of Copilot Studio. Extend Copilot for Microsoft 365 using the Copilot Studio, right? So essentially, as part of this video, I will talk about what are the Copilot agents and how we can build a starter prompts. What are those prompts, right? And then how we can make a enhancement of this agent by adding the knowledge and actions. And then I will also give a demo where we will create the agent, right? And then we will publish that agent on the Teams and M365. So let's start with what are the Copilot agent, right? So essentially, Copilot agents are focused conversational assistants, right? That enhance the default capabilities of Copilot for Microsoft 365, right? So where you can build the agent, right, which will be specific for particular prompt, or maybe those might be connected with the knowledge base or the actions, right? So these are created using the natural language instruction and can include the enterprise data and action and suggested prompts. So coming to starter prompts. So starter prompts are like essentially the prompt which end user can use to do the common or sophisticated action with the agent, right? Now coming to enhance the agent, right? So we can enhance the agent by using two things. One is by adding the knowledge. So by adding the knowledge, we are making agent to more knowledgeable, right? So where it will interact with the some different data sources and will provide specific information, right? And then by adding the action, right? So actions allows agent to retrieve the information and then perform the task, right? So now we have got the information about what agent does, right? And then how we can enhance the agent, right? So let me go ahead and show you the demo. So basically, to build this demo, we have to use the Copilot Studio. And then in the Copilot Studio, so there is a new capability called Copilot for Microsoft 365, right? With this, actually, we can build a agent for Microsoft 365, right? So essentially, um, okay, so it's loading the existing agent. Okay, so we can build the agent, right? So I can go ahead and click here to create a new agent. Let me just go and click here. So we can build an agent by describing what exactly we want, right? By using the prompt, right? So I will use this default prompt. So let me just copy paste here. Okay. So what it will do is internally it will use the LLM model, and then it will create some kind of the instructions for this agent, right? So I would say okay, so let me just do your instruction for how your Copilot assistant or example is fixed on. No. Okay, so it is creating this agent. So it will take few. Okay, so now the agent is ready, and it created these prompt and descriptions for this agent, right? And we can go ahead and click on the create. Okay, so now it built the basic the agent, right? Where it will provide the answer based on the prompt it has defined, right? So as you can see, the example which I give, right, the description I give for the prompt, right? For that, actually it created the proper prompt here, right? So basically, essentially, the instruction here it created is your name is project onboarding assistant. You assist teammates in onboarding to a new project by providing the guidance, answering question, and helping them to understand the project requirement, right? And along with that, actually it also created the starter prompts, right? So these starter prompts will help when user doesn't know what to ask, right? So in those scenario, these starter prompt will help. So as you can see in the right hand side in the console, it has these starter prompt, right? So now this basic agent has been created, and now I can go ahead and integrate this agent in this the Copilot Studio test console, right? So I can just go ahead and select the startup from. So let me go ahead and select this one, the project overview. Okay, so now so far it is not using the any knowledge source or action, right? So whatever information it will provide based on the LLM knowledge, right? So based on the LLM knowledge, it provided this response here, right? So along with this, actually we can add a knowledge source, right? So we can go ahead and add the knowledge source. So these are the different out of box knowledge source. We can connect to SharePoint, we can connect to the enterprise data connections, right? SQL server, right? These are the different knowledge sources. We can connect to this agent to enhance the knowledge of the agent, right? And then we can also add actions, right? So these are the out of box actions we can use, right? So delete a row, get a forecast for today weather, right? So these are the different actions we can add, right? So but since we just want to show the basic demo today, so I'm not adding the knowledge or action here, right? So now we have created the basic agent, right, with the instructions. Now next thing is we have to publish this agent, right? So to publish this, we have to click on the publish. Okay, so this chatbot will get published on these channels, right? So it will publish on the Microsoft 365 Copilot, on the Teams, right? And it automatically created this by default information. And let's go ahead and click on the publish. Okay, so right now it is publishing, and once it is published, it will also show the option where we can grant the access of this chatbot by using the specific user or AD group or across the organization, right? So it is creating, it's publishing the agent right now. Okay, so once it published, right, once published to the teams, so we can go ahead and see the teams, right? So in the teams it will show like this, right? And then in the teams also, since it has associated prompts, we can go ahead and select the prompt here. I can go and ask this, select this prompt. Let's see what it will do. All right, so it's responding here, and it answered the for this particular question, right, which we selected through the prompt, right? So essentially okay, so now it published, and then as you can see here, we can provide access to by using the email or name or the security group, right? We can also share this chatbot to everyone in the organization, right? So these are the different method. Like with that, actually, we can provide access of this chatbot to the users, right? So thanks for watching this video. Hope you will like it. Thank you.